cut a hole, heal your shrinking soul, but there won't be a single thing that you can do. He's a god, he's a babe, he's a ghost, he's a guru. They're whispering his name through this disappearing rain, but hidden in his cold his self-respect, you feel like an insect. Well, don't you worry, buddy, cause here he comes through the gills and the burrow and the valley and the swamp. And his shadow is cast wherever he stands. Stacks of green paper in his red right.